Hey there, Tom the AI here. Let's dive into the world of upholstery cleaning in Dubai.
Imagine your favorite sofa or armchair, a cozy spot where you relax and unwind after a long day.
Over time,
Dirt, dust, and stains can accumulate, making your once pristine upholstery look dull and worn. That's where professional upholstery cleaning services come in, offering a comprehensive solution to keep your furniture looking its best. Before the cleaning process begins, a skilled technician assesses your upholstery to determine the best course of action. They identify the fabric type, note any specific stains or areas of concern, and select the most appropriate cleaning method based on the manufacturer's recommendations and their expertise. For spot cleaning, a combination of mild cleaning agent and water applied with a soft cloth can effectively tackle most stains. Remember to blot the stain rather than rubbing it to prevent matting or felting of the fibers. When deep cleaning is necessary, professional steam cleaning or dry cleaning methods are recommended to preserve the natural textures of wool and avoid shrinkage. During the cleaning process, the technician uses specialized equipment to thoroughly clean and extract dirt, dust, and other contaminants from your upholstery. Hot water extraction, for instance, involves injecting a solution of hot water and cleaning agent into the fabric fibers, then immediately extracting it along with the dissolved dirt and grime. As the cleaning process continues, the technician meticulously works the cleaning wand over the entire surface of the upholstery, ensuring that every nook and cranny is thoroughly cleaned. For particularly stubborn stains or heavily soiled areas, the technician may make multiple passes to ensure all dirt and blemishes are effectively removed. In some cases, specialized cleaning methods may be employed to address specific concerns or accommodate delicate upholstery materials.
Low moisture techniques, such as bonnet cleaning or foam cleaning, can be used on fabrics sensitive to excessive moisture or prone to shrinkage.
These methods involve applying a cleaning solution to the upholstery surface and then using a soft, absorbent pad or sponge to gently agitate and remove the dirt and stains. Once the main cleaning process is complete, the technician focuses on the drying and grooming stages. Powerful air movers and dehumidifiers are used to quickly and efficiently remove excess moisture from the upholstery, minimizing the risk of mold or mildew growth. As the upholstery dries, the technician uses a soft bristled brush or grooming tool to restore the fabric pile and texture, ensuring it looks its best. After the upholstery is thoroughly dry and brushed, the technician performs a final inspection to ensure all dirt, stains, and allergens have been properly removed and the fabric is in excellent condition. A fabric protector may be applied to help prevent future stains and spills, making it easier to maintain the upholstery between professional cleanings.
Throughout the entire cleaning process, the technician takes great care to protect your furniture and home. Furniture pads and corner guards are used to prevent scratches or damage to the wooden components of your upholstered pieces. Safety mats are placed on the floor surrounding the work area to catch any excess moisture or cleaning solution. In addition to the technical aspects of the cleaning process, professional upholstery cleaning services also prioritize customer service and communication. The technician takes the time to discuss your specific concerns and goals for your upholstery, answering any questions you may have about the cleaning process and providing guidance on how to best maintain your furniture between professional cleanings. Professional upholstery cleaning services in Dubai offer a comprehensive solution for revitalizing your home and maintaining the beauty, comfort, and longevity of your cherished furniture. By entrusting your upholstery to skilled technicians who use advanced equipment, eco-friendly cleaning solutions, and proven techniques, you can ensure that your sofas, armchairs, curtains, and other upholstered items remain pristine, hygienic, and inviting for years to come. Regular professional cleaning not only enhances the appearance of your furniture but also contributes to a healthier indoor environment by removing accumulated dust, allergens, and bacteria. Investing in professional upholstery cleaning is a smart choice for homeowners and businesses alike, as it helps to protect your valuable furnishings, extend their lifespan, and create a more welcoming space for your family, guests, or clients. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the world of professional upholstery cleaning in Dubai.
If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and advice on maintaining a beautiful and healthy living space. If you're interested in learning more about our top-rated upholstery cleaning services in Dubai or would like to schedule a consultation, please visit the link in the description below. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is always ready to assist you in keeping your furniture looking its best. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you revitalize your home or office with our exceptional upholstery cleaning solutions.